The SNR zone indicator represents an automatic price level analysis tool developed for assisting MT4-day/intraday traders in determining precise trade entry/exit zones. Price levels play crucial roles in financial trading, and economists pay particular attention to them. Supply and demand are interdependent, and this relationship determines market pricing. They directly impact bullish and bearish forces and remain balanced at an equilibrium price. Prices tend to return to this equilibrium unless specific demand or supply characteristics alter. Technically, the SNR zone is a non-repaint indicator that lags less and leads you to critical market events for decision makings. Since it automatically determines the potential price levels, you don't need to manually draw the support/resistance lines. Seasoned traders would often ask a few questions whenever they would want to know how a particular market is doing. They would often ask the close price and on some occasions the highs and the lows. This would give them the idea what the range of price is and which direction it is moving. The candle's SNR indicator is a custom technical indicator based on this concept. What is the candle's SNR indicator? The candle's SNR indicator is a custom technical indicator which identifies support and resistance levels on the price chart. It plots 4 lines, 3 of which are dashed lines, while 1 is a solid line. These lines can be used as support and resistance levels or as the projected range where price would most likely move within. How does it work? Before you start trading, open your favorite trading pairs. Choose your time frame. This trading system works on all time frames from M1 to D1. Step 1. Identify the trend. Use the trend panel to filter trend. Ensure that your trend must be confirmed at least 2 higher time frame. For example, you want to sell in M15. The trend panel has to show downtrend in at least H1 and H4, red color. Step 2. Wait for a buy/sell signal produced by the entry indicator. If we are in the uptrend, so take the buy signals only. If we are in the downtrend, so take the sell signals only. Place stop loss few pips below/above the last support/resistance levels. Step 3. Exit the trade when price hits TP levels. You can also use trailing stop. Recommendation of take profit targets. We recommend to set risk-reward ration at least 1.5 to 1 to make sure you will win at the end of the game. If you do not know how to calculate the lot size correctly, please read the last sentences of this manual. How to filter the high probability signals. Before trading, always make sure that the market does not expect any important data. If something big appears in the news calendar, it's better to wait for their announcement and later join to further movement. Always try to trade on major sessions when the volatility is the greatest. If possible, trade only in London or New York session open. Examples: the system works on any time frame from M1 and D1. For scalping functions, use M1 and M5 buying and selling charts. For day trading you can use M15/H1. For swing trading, use H4/D1. Take a look at the next buying and selling charts beneath and uncover how straightforward it's to make earnings with this trading system. SNR/SND is an indicator that displays horizontal support and resistance levels on the price chart. The givenly SNR/SND indicator plots support and resistance levels from timeframes from H1 to W1, somewhat similar to pivot levels. Supports are indicated in blue, resistances in red. Each level on the chart is labeled. This indicator is very useful if you are trading on lower timeframes and do not want to jump through different timeframes for checking of support and resistance zones. It is also very handy for trading strategies based on level breakouts or as an indicator where to place stop loss and take profit orders. The SNR zone indicator outlines the potential market levels based on price positions compared to the intraday breakout zones. For instance, when the price holds above the blue box, it means the market is in a bullish trend. In such a case, use the green box as the key target and the aqua box as the potential stop loss zone. Please note that the SNR zone indicator will not plot a direct buy-sell signal. So, whenever the price strikes the intraday breakout levels, look for further price actions like candlestick patterns for trade confirmations. Conclusion: the SNR zone indicator is a useful price action indicator for daily technical trading.